Hey gorgeous! Is age starting to catch up with your skin and face a little? I know, and it's so discouraging. I've had droopy eyelids since my mid-20s. It's something I've battled for a long time. But unfortunately, most of us can figure out some fabulous ways to embrace the aging beauty revolution. And thanks from help with Be Glowing Beauty, we can do just that. This amazing brand creates high-quality, innovative products designed for the aging woman in mind. I got this awesome Illuminate Shine palette from them, and you can see it zips. It's so cute. Great for travel, has a little mirror in it. You're gonna find in here eye primer that's made just to brighten eyes, as well as highlighter and 8 gorgeous, highly pigmented, beautiful shine, shimmery, sparkle colors. And I love this because it is so rule breaking. Most of us have heard when you get older, you need to stay away from the shimmer and shine because it can actually, you know, make fine lines and wrinkles stand out even more. But luckily, Be Glowing Beauty is committed to making fabulous products for the aging woman in mind. So all of these colors are made to flatter mature skin, which is awesome. You don't usually see that. Usually they can have a negative effect when you use that sparkle and shine. But these gorgeous colors were developed specifically for the changing beauty needs of women of age. So the Be Glowing Illuminate Shine palette is clean, non-toxic, and does not contain harmful chemicals or additives either. These beautiful colors lift and enhance eyes, brighten eyes and skin, and can also blur and eliminate the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So super amazing. This palette is breaking all the rules and changing the game. All Be Glowing Beauty products are infused with Microvector Plump GABA Hya, which is a moisture-rich blend of collagen and hyaluronic acid. As many of us know, hyaluronic acid is super moisturizing, so this awesome formula together is just gonna plump up skin, smooth it, make it feel softer, more amazing, and it's gonna look more youthful too, and of course, lift the eyes as well. So I recently got to try out this palette, and I'm super excited to share with you a look that I've designed that's gonna lift lids and brighten eyes as well. So to start, I'm gonna first apply the Be Glowing Beauty eye primer. And then I'm going to take a small angled brush and actually apply eyeshadow as eyeliner. So I'm going to use the really bright ethereal. Lighter colors do a great job of brightening eyes, so I love this underneath the eye. Next up, I'm going to take an eyeliner, and this is kind of a thicker one. And you're going to want to angle it up and out, which is going to kind of naturally lift the eye. Don't worry about getting it perfectly because we're going to blend eyeshadow in it over in just a minute. Next, I'm going to take an angled brush, and this is one of the best that I've found for droopy lids. And I'm going to use the Vintage, which is a dark brown, and I'm going to lightly tap it over the shadow and up and over the crease of my eye. With droopy lids, you don't normally see the crease. So this way, if you apply it actually just a bit over, it's going to actually show up as a crease. Next up, I'm going to use the Rococo, which is a really pretty gold shimmery shade. I love this for nighttime, but it also works really well for day. I go between this and the Baroque, which is kind of a purpley shimmery. You're going to apply the same way from outside in and just blend, blend, blend until everything looks smooth. Make sure you can see it above the eye when you have your eyes open and facing forward. This gives the appearance of the crease and also lifts the lid. Next up, I'm going to use the Halcyon, which is a really pretty shimmer. And I'm just going to blend it on the top and smooth in. Then I'm going to use this big brush and apply Ella, which is a pretty creamy shimmery shade, and I'm going to use this all the way up to the top. This is a good blending brush. It's going to smooth everything out, and it's going to blend all the colors in as well. So you can blend it in a little bit with the top of your line. Then I'm going to apply Ethereal again, and here you're going to want to use right under the brows and right in the eye crease. And this is going to really brighten up eyes and make them look shiny and brighter and more youthful. Then the trick is just to blend everything in so that it looks smoothly and natural. Then I'm going to curl the lashes. And lastly, I will finish with a coat of mascara. And there you have it. This is my lid lifting, eye brightening look using my Be Glowing Illuminate Eye Palette. This palette is amazing. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. As you can see, it not only looks great, but it improves the overall health of skin too. So with continued use, your skin's gonna look and feel better too. I love that. I love that it's got skincare in mind as well as beauty. This lovely palette is super nourishing to the skin and it stays put all day. I put this on in the morning and it stays all night just fine. It doesn't even clump up in my lids if I use the primer first. So I've loved that. For my droopy lids, it's just been amazing. I feel like it just really lifts them up, brightens them, and just overall looks better and more youthful. The super complementary colors work great with skin tones. I've absolutely loved it. I've loved experimenting with each and every color. They all work and look beautiful, beautiful on. And I'm not the only one loving this amazing palette. It has been seen on celebrities such as Jamie Lee Curtis, Laura Dern, and even recently Deborah Messing. So you know Be Glowing Beauty is doing something right when the celebrities are totally jumping on the Be Glowing Beauty train too. So I absolutely love this product. Be sure to check them out, you guys. It's Be-Glowing, and you can find this beautiful illuminating eye palette as well as many other amazing products that work great for skin of all ages, but especially if you got the mature skin too, you're definitely gonna wanna check them out. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.